What is in the Sky? Written by Lambert Garcia. Illustrated by Jones Cooper. Sometimes I wonder what is in the sky. The bird flies in the sky. The bird flies in the sky.
Bird. Bird.
The airplane flies in the sky. The airplane flies in the sky.
Airplane. Airplane.
The dragonfly flies in the sky. The dragonfly flies in the sky.
Dragonfly.
The hot air balloon flies in the sky.
Hot air balloon.
The rocket flies in the sky. The rocket flies in the sky. The eagle flies in the sky. The eagle flies in the sky. I wish I could fly in the sky.
Boy.
I wish I could fly in the sky.
Plug-in bulbs.
Drag the plugs to match the pictures with the correct
Hot
words.
air balloon. Hot air balloon. Airplane. 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 Rocket. Rocket.
Well done.
Activity 2.
Is it a fact or an opinion? The rocket flies in the sky. Fact. Is it a fact or an opinion? I love eagles. Opinion.
Good job.
Activity 3. Let's make fireworks. Do you want to make fireworks? That'll be awesome! Let's help the chemist by choosing the correct answer.
The story is about a bird.
Whoa!
The story tells us about things in the sky.
Whoa!
Activity 4.
Let's name 5 things that also fly in the sky.